Today we will learn how to change background in Adobe Photoshop. Make sure your photo is in HD quality. First of all, select the pen tool from toolbar for cutout. Select path, the second one, and then select this last. Now create the selection around the picture. You click one point on image. Drag the line to the next point. Click again and repeat the process until you have created a closed outline. Click the arrows and save the path. Press Ctrl and Enter for make selection. Now press Ctrl and J. Create a new document and paste your image. Select this image by pressing Ctrl and A. And for create copy, press Ctrl and C. Now, paste your background image here by pressing Ctrl and V. Press Ctrl and T. You will adjust your background picture according to your photo. You are definitely thinking why your picture is disappear. Basically, I have created a one more layer as you are seeing in the side box. Drag the layer 2 and drop it on layer 1. Now you can see the picture with your new background. You can change the picture brightness and color from here according to your background. The most important thing is saving your picture in Photoshop. Open the File tab and then click on Save As. Then select the correct format from this drop-down menu and save the picture. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye bye.